In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could play GTA 5 on a PC with a controller. If you have a PlayStation or Xbox controller and want to use it here on GTA 5 on a PC, you can do this extremely easy using Steam's built-in controller support or Epic Games' built-in controller support as well. Now, before we do get in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, you're going to want to do your first couple steps in your launchers. Essentially open up Steam or Epic Games. And what you're going to want to do is go up to the top left corner on Steam and essentially just open up your settings. If you're on Epic Games, just open up your settings on there as well. And you just got to go ahead and navigate to the controller tab and just enable controller support on your device. Once you go ahead and do that, you can pretty much use a controller for really any game on Steam or on Epic Games. But from here, you just need to go ahead and launch GTA 5 like normal. And when you do load into GTA 5, your controller should now work properly in game. You just have to plug it in, whether it's connected wirelessly or wired, and you'll be good to go. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. Just make sure that you turn on your controller support on your respective program and launcher beforehand, and you should be good to go. If you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.